Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can lock your Samsung Note with a password or a fingerprint. Now first, tap on the home button to take you back to your home screen. And in here, swipe up to go into app screen. And in the app screen, tap on Samsung Notes. Next, if you want to lock a note, you first need to open it. And then in here, tap on the More button at the top. From the pop-up menu, tap on the Lock button, and this will lock a note. If you do not see the Lock button, then maybe you will need to tap on the menu key on the left-hand side, and then tap on the Settings button. In Settings, go down and tap on Note Unlock Methods. In here, make sure that you set up your PIN and password. And then once you have set up your password, you can also go to the biometrics section to turn on fingerprints. So in here, it asks me to put in the password. And once you put in the password, you can switch your fingerprints on or off. So to turn it on, we need to put in the password. And that's it. Once you have turned on fingerprints, you can unlock your note either using a password or a fingerprint. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.